Welcome back to Art for All. Well, we all know the Xbox Series S console and controller, but can you draw them? Here we're going to teach you exactly how to do it. Let's go. Please adjust the speed from YouTube settings. You can pause the video as required. You can download a free printable for this drawing. Please follow the link in the description. If you like pencil sketching, please do visit our channel, Art for All Sketching. I'll share the link in the description. We also do watercolor paintings. Please do visit our channel, Art for All Watercolors. I'll share the link in the description. Let's add some color to this drawing now. We'll speed up the video. Pause or reduce the speed if you need to. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to subscribe